Hello, my name is Caleb, and in this video, I'll be solving the problem 12 of the NMC first round. That's the senior mathematics. So here we're asked to simplify this expression, 4th root of 5 plus 2 root 6 plus 4th root of 5 minus 2 root 6. So and then I give some options. So let's take this in steps, right? So the 4th root of 5 plus 2 root 6 is the square root of 5 plus 2 root 6. Same thing for 5 minus 2 root 6. So if we can find the square root of 5 plus 2 root 6 and 5 minus 2 root 6, then we'll now be dealing with square roots instead of 4th roots. So let's do that, right? So and the way we do with this, we expect the square root of 5 plus 2 root 6 to be equal to some root a plus some root b, right? In this form. Right, so this implies 5 plus 2 root 6 to be equal to root a plus root b all squared. Right, so this is going to be equal to a plus b plus 2 root ab. Now we have this. Remember that this is the whole number part here, and this is the whole number part here. Why this is the irrational part, and this is the square root part, right? So we can actually equate a plus b to be equal to 5, and we have 2 root 6 and 2 root ab here as well. So we have ab is equal to 6, right? So now ab is equal to 6 implies that a times now b is equal to 5 minus a, because a plus b is equal to 5. So you have a times 5 minus a is equal to 6, which implies that 5a minus a squared, which is equal to 6, which implies that a squared minus 5a plus 6 is equal to 0. Now, of course, this implies that a minus 2, a minus 3a plus 6 is equal to 0, which is going to imply that a times a minus 2, now minus 3a times a minus 2 is equal to 0, which implies that a minus 3 times a minus 2 is equal to 0, which is going to imply that a is equal to 3 or a is equal to 2. Now a is equal to 3 is going to imply that b is equal to 5 minus a, which is 2, and a is equal to 2 implies that b is equal to 5 minus 2, which is 3, right? So we have a and b equal to 2 and 3. So without loss of generality, because there's no order in which a and b should come, right? This is loss here. So without loss of generality, we can set a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 2. And this is going to imply that the root of 5 plus 2 root 6 is equal to root 3 plus root 2. Now, similarly, for the case of the root of 5 minus 2 root 6, right? You're just going to have the conjugate of this, right? So you have root of 5 minus 2 root 6 is going to be equal to root 3 minus root 2. So now, like I say, we have dealt with the 4th root. So what actually needs to simplify now is the root of root 3 plus root 2 plus the root of root 3 minus root 2. Now this is easier to deal with, right? Why? Because we can equate let's set root 3 plus root 2 equal to a, and root 3 minus root 2 equal to b. Sorry, the root of it. Now you're looking for a plus b, right? Why did I say that this is much more easier than dealing with fourth root directly? Because from this we can get that a plus b is equal to the root of a plus b squared. Now, why did I express it in this form? It can be in any other form, but we have to, going back to our options, we can see that most of our options are square root of something, right? So it makes sense to actually, or all of our options, because 2 is square root of 4. So all of our options are the square root of something. So it makes sense to actually go with a plus b squared, to actually find a plus b squared instead of trying to find a plus b directly. Now, why I said this is much more simpler than how it was before, because in this form, a plus b squared is easier to find, because this is going to be equal to root of a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. Now we know that a squared plus b squared is going to be equal to root 3 plus root 2 plus root 3 minus root 2, which is equal to 2 root 3, right? And 2ab is going to be equal to 2 times all roots of root 3 plus root 2 times root 3 minus root 2, which is going to be equal to 2 times 3 minus 2, which is going to be equal to 2 root 1, which is equal to 2. So now we'll have a plus b squared equal to 2 root 2 plus, or 2 plus 2 root 3, which implies that a plus b is equal to 2 plus root of 2 plus 2 root 3. And then this implies that 2 plus 2 root 3 is our answer, which is, sorry, the root of 2 plus 2 root 3 is an answer, which is option A. So option A is our answer for this. And we are done.